Welcome to Namibia, located in southwestern Africa. This is a land of extraordinary beauty and breathtaking landscapes. From its rugged deserts to its magnificent coastline, Namibia is a destination that promises to amaze and inspire. One of Namibia's most famous attractions is the towering red sand dunes of Sossusvlei. These are some of the highest dunes in the world, and the contrasting colors of the red sand against the blue sky make for a truly unforgettable sight. If you're a wildlife enthusiast, then Etosha National Park is the place to be. This vast park is home to a variety of animals, including elephants, lions, giraffes, and rhinos. The park also has a number of watering holes where you can observe the animals up close. For those who love the ocean, Namibia's Skeleton Coast is a must-see. This wild and rugged coastline is home to shipwrecks and seals, and its stark beauty is a reminder of the power of nature. But Namibia isn't just about its natural wonders. The country is also home to a rich and diverse cultural heritage. Visiting a traditional Himba village, for example, will give you a glimpse into the unique way of life of these proud people. And let's not forget Namibia's impressive natural wonders, such as the Fish River Canyon, the second largest canyon in the world. This stunning geological formation is a testament to the power of water and time. Namibia truly is a land of contrasts and natural beauty, and it's a destination that should be on every traveler's bucket list. So why not start planning your Namibian adventure today? Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and click the subscribe button. See you next time.